Hey guys, this is Mr. Diamond Fingers. I'm going to be reviewing my No Comply CP mold. It's really nice. It has medium kicks, medium concave I believe, and nice pop. And it has No Comply CP mold branded in the front, because the front is slightly wider and taller than the back, and I think that's pretty cool. But the plies, they go natural, purple, and let's see if I can get it to focus. Okay, guess I can't, but the lacquer on the bottom ply, I thought it could be more, but oh well, it's fine. It's really nice. Let's talk about shipping. Came in 4 days, which is pretty good. It came in this bubble mailer. And it was wrapped up in this bubble wrap when I got it. And in the bubble mailer was 3 pivot cups, like a No Comply business card, it came with 3 No Comply stickers. The third one's right here. And so shipping was good. Board's great. Really like it. I've been skating it for about like 2 weeks now. It's really nice. You can just do like trays so easily. It's really nice. I just put Tech Deck trucks and wheels on here, but put pivot cups in the trucks. I just put regular skate grip on here. It's okay. Because I couldn't buy any rip. The screw holes were aligned great, and the kingpin hole, it made it a lot easier to get the trucks on. So I would definitely recommend going out and buying one, because I think it's a really great deck. So thanks for watching my review.